Good morning, class. I'm Mr. Briddick. Today we are going to be navigating one of my favorite resources to explore physical education content. I plan on using it when I'm an educator as well. Just tons of information, videos, assessments, but it's called pecentral.org. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll pretend our assignment today is we have to learn and teach a dance for class. So maybe you have no idea where to start. Last dance I did was the Hokey Pokey. So let's go ahead and open up this resource, and I'll show you how to navigate that. So go ahead, open up your browser, and type in pecentral.org. We'll take you to the homepage here. You have all your tabs at the top, from lessons, assessments, all the way to class management, of course videos, challenges, and more. So let's go ahead. Because we're doing dances, right? So let's go to videos just to get our, brain turning here. So go to dances under this tab, and it will just open tons and tons of different dance lessons. Look at that. It's incredible. So let's pick one. How about Star Wars Dance of the Stormtrooper? So we'll give you, an explanation of the dance, the purpose, suggested grade level. So, since we'll be teaching specific grades, we want to make sure it's right for our students. So it'll give you the recommended music, beginning of the dance formation, descriptions, and just really give you an idea. And then at the bottom here, it should have, here we go, a video of the dance itself. So you could go ahead and click that video.
Central Dance I did for December, and it is in honor of the big grand opening of the new Star Wars movie, and it's the Stormtrooper dance. It is done to the Imperial March, which is from episode 5, I believe, of the Star Wars.
So I'll kind of skip ahead here.
So it begins with some very familiar music, and you'll hold for the first 4 counts. You'll actually start on count 4, and you will go march, march, ball change, ball change. And you do it 2 more times. So this is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8.
Brief pause. So that's a good thing to remember when you're teaching a dance, is to get a count going. It helps students stay on beat. So it's very important. We had to teach a dance for one of our assignments in my previous classes, and counting out loud it helped. It was huge. It helped so much.
So, go ahead. 3 times. Hold for the first opening count, and then 3 times. Typing the steps, little names, so you can identify them. Remember that the stormtroopers are very upright, very stiff, and march-like. So this is the step that I call the lasso step. And they take their arms above their head, they step out, and they bounce. They step out, and they bounce. And we do that twice. The counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We then go to the back, we'll plie and some bounce.
So as you see, you break it down one section at a time. You have your intro, your beginning of the dance. You'll break into counts and so forth, and then you'll keep practicing one at a time. You'll do the 1, practice it, add another step, do the 1, 2, all the way to the end, and then eventually you put it all together. But break it down, practice each step individually, add on to them. But you get the idea after you browse a whole bunch of videos. They're all pretty much the same when it comes to the method of teaching them. Let's go back. So if that was our assignment, as you can see here, there's just tons of videos. Young Mozart. Like I said before, it has our description at the top, the video here. Click watch.
The second set of 8, your hands are going down beneath your knees.
So yeah. Let's say we needed some tips. Teaching tips for beginning PE teachers. Just all the information you can imagine is here. Browse by lesson plan category. Search for lesson, dance lessons. It's a pretty straightforward, how to navigate the website. Just put in keywords, remote teaching for attendance. Here we go. Line dances, thriller, Halloween. It says, and he'll have the views. I like when you search stuff because it has your grade level. But then also for the videos, we'll have here a picture of the video icon. But it has how many views, so this is a good one. Of course, Thriller's popular. But just great, in the uncertainty of today, and remote teaching. And the good part of this, I guess, is, we really upped our education through remote learning. So just, tons of information resources, and teaching a dance in a remote setting, like, it's doable. We did it, and it's fun. It gets people moving. So I thought this was a good activity to choose. But yeah, I love this website, PE Central. It's free to access, tons of information. It's all credible. When people post to it, it gets, people look over it, they make sure it's up to par, it's quality. Stuff that's going on here, it's not just anybody can post anything. So that's another reason I picked it as a resource. I know it's credible. Yeah, just tons of stuff here. Movement exploration, lesson plan, yoga. And like I said, these icons before, those are the ones with videos. Others will just explain. Have the lesson plan written out. Yeah, just tons of stuff. But I went over everything for our assignment, and then that would get the brain going. You teach your dance, record yourself, and post it through YouTube or your choice. Yeah, it's a great website if you ever want to look for, ideas for physical education. It's easy. If you didn't want to use a tab and you wanted to look for something specific, you would just use the search bar at the top. But again, yeah, thanks for watching with me. I'm excited to see your videos. But yeah, thanks again. Have a good one, and we'll see you out there.